Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Quail eggs are considered a delicacy in many parts of the world, though they taste remarkably the same as chicken eggs. But they are typically small in size and provides a whole lot of vitamins and minerals and are low in calories. Ideally, a healthy person can have up to 6 to 10 quail eggs in a day. Today, we are going to make a quick and easy keto-friendly recipe with quail eggs. Here I am taking a pack of fresh quail eggs. Let's begin with boiling the eggs. Heat a pan. Add water for boiling. Place all the quail eggs into the saucepan. Then cover with the lid and keep to boil. It may take about 5 to 10 minutes. So in the meantime, let's prepare the other ingredients. Here I am chopping one medium-sized onion to thin slices. And I take 2 garlic cloves, a piece of ginger. You may also use dry ginger powder, and some green chilies. Chop them all to desired size and keep aside. And here we have the quail eggs, which are perfectly boiled. Let's off the flame and keep to cool. Now let's start with the roasting. Heat a pan at medium. Add oil into the pan. Add garlic and ginger. Saute them for a few minutes. Then we add the sliced onion. Mix all together. And saute till the onion turns soft and translucent. Also add the green chilies and mix in. Now let's start adding the spices. So before that, reduce the flame. I'm adding turmeric powder, coriander powder, and some red chili powder. Then we're going to roast the spices with the other ingredients. So now it's time to add the boiled quail eggs. They are deshelled and cleaned. Mix in with the spices and coat them well. Now we add little warm water. This helps in better cooking the eggs in the gravy. And cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Add salt as per taste. I'm also adding some black pepper. Now for an additional flavor, I'm adding cream cheese. Melt the cheese and combine all together. Finally, we are almost done and the quail egg roast is ready. So let's garnish with some parsley. This recipe just takes about 15 to 20 minutes and so it's very easy to prepare. And at the same time it's tasty and healthy too. I hope you enjoyed being with us. You would love to try this and do share with us your feedbacks. So take care and see you in the next video.